California here from Wellesley Island. Oh man, and it's a humid, moisty morning. Woke up in sweats. Meanwhile, it's probably a good thing because it's getting those bad chemicals out of my body. Might have been from that Theraflu that I took too, though. So, alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get up. I gotta cook some breakfast, and then we're gonna come back and chill for a little bit, and then start researching. There's a couple trails. I'd like to walk around this area to show you guys this part of the campground, and then we'll drive out tomorrow to show you the whole park and campground as much as we can tomorrow. Me to go through every site walking. That ain't gonna work. Ugh. Sweating. More soaked. I need to get it warm here. No better. First up is gourmet dog food from a beautiful boy. Okay. Good morning from Wellesley Island, here in New York. And we end up sleeping by ourselves. How perfect that is. Not the greatest spot in the world. I could imagine that. Like if someone was like camping and everything right there. That would suck. So I'll let you guys know. Look how close this is. This is 49. Can't see what that one says over there. But 550. Well, you can imagine how close we are. Oh man. Cook up the veggies and throw in the ground beef. Simmer brown. Put in some nutrients and boom, gourmet dog food. Alright, it didn't look like it rained at all, so wood stuff looks still dry, which is good. Anyways, we're gonna go back and relax for a little bit longer. This might be a lame video, guys, but just trying to show the reality. What it's like sometimes when you're out on the road full time, like I am now. And I mean, when I say out on the road full time right now, it means I'm away from my home, Florida. Even though I'm staying at my dad's and stuff like that, it's still away from home, still traveling, out and about. Anyways, we're gonna finish up the movie we watched last night and get up, and then we'll show you guys this park. I'm looking forward to see it myself. It's like everything in my body hurts. It's supposed to be a nice few days. Wanna come in? Go on. Good boy. Actually, it feels good with open. Is that good? That was some fresh gourmet beef. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, back here, Dookie. Bathroom break. It is a long walk though. I think I found a place where I want to go. Down to Alexandria Bay. I think I'm just going to put my contacts in. I'm going to change. Definitely don't want to take a shower because it will just be a freezing cold situation. And I think if I just put deodorant on, do a wipe bath, everything will work out well. Alright guys, well, my phone fell out of the fan, so I can't tell you what time it is, but I think it's around noon. Perfect timing for us to get up and do something. So finish up Doogie's food real quick and get it bagged up. Only got 2 bags because I forgot to buy some bags, so I'll just fit it in 2 bags and then go from there. It is what it is. Just need to move, keep moving. Come on. In that little spot. Put on. Freaking drenched. So that means that door over there is leaking or wasn't shut tight when it did rain.